Do you want to know how you can check your tickets or your available tickets on your Draftkings account? If yes, then this video is specially for you. Hello and welcome to TechTube. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can check your available tickets on Draftkings. Go ahead and open draftkings.co.uk and log into your account. Then go ahead and click on Tickets, which is over here. After you click on Tickets, it will lead you to your available tickets portal. So if you have a ticket, the tickets can be awarded from winning a contest, promotional purposes, or as a loyalty reward. When you have a ticket, look for this icon in the lobby for contests that you can enter with a ticket. So if you don't have tickets, this icon will be sold. You can see you have no tickets to redeem will be shown, but if you have one, you can redeem that and you can earn a lot of contests and you can earn a lot of rewards to that. So guys, this is how you check your available tickets on your Draftkings account. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.